Coming up on today's Disney Roundup, specialty themed treats and announcements coming for Halloween this season at the Disney parks, a first look at Finding Nemo, the Big Blue and Beyond, and the Florida governor signs a bill to end the Reedy Creek Improvement District. I have all that and more for you coming up right here on the DRU.
To infinity and beyond!
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news each and every single week. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. Starting with Parks news this week, as we are now just halfway to Halloween, Disney has announced that they will be offering limited time treats inside the parks and preparing to make announcements for the upcoming season. With it now just being halfway until the spooky season begins, Disney will be making announcements for the season tomorrow, Thursday, April 28th. For the Disney parks, there's a lot of focus towards what Disney will announce for after hours or special themed events, as last year Disney brought back Oogie Boogie Bash at DCA with similar but limited offerings compared to its first year. And last year Disney introduced the Disney After Hours Boo Bash, a new holiday themed after hours event at Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World instead of the normal Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. Reason being, as during this time last year, we weren't as far in the reopening stages, which led Disney to introduce a new event, as Not So Scary is notably known for character meet and greets with characters you rarely see or ones in their Halloween costumes, the Boo to You parade, or Disney's Not So Spooky Spectacular Fireworks. Now, along with not having those offerings, a lot of people weren't entirely pleased with the Disney After Hours Boo Bash, as it felt the price points did not meet the experience overall, along with how long the event itself lasted. Now, since Disney has brought back all of those experiences, there should be a normal special themed event for this year. The question though is if Disney continues to do the Boo Bash or bring back Not So Scary. I lean towards them bringing back Not So Scary, as this year would be the 25th anniversary for the event. I also think with the new Hocus Pocus movie coming out on Disney Plus this year, Disney will be heavily themed towards that, but let me know what you think in the comments down below. Also, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned, and I'll let you know what's announced next week. Select Halloween treats will also be coming to Walt Disney World and Disneyland for a limited time this week. At Magic Kingdom and Walt Disney World, you can find the Lady on the Gravestone 50th Chilling Chamber Pop or a Jack Skellington popcorn buckets. At Disney Springs, specialty themed treats at Gideon's and the Ganachery, along with a Mickey Mummy popcorn buckets and Hocus Pocus Amok cakes at the Grand Floridian. At Disneyland Park, they are turning their pickle dog into a cheddar pickle dog, and you can find a spooky churro over at DCA. If you'd like to check out where you can find all of these limited time treats, I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. Announced to open sometime this summer at Animal Kingdom, Disney has shared a first look at Finding Nemo, the Big Blue and Beyond. Stepping inside the theater in the wild, you'll catch up with the group of fish from Dr. P. Sherman's office who have made their way across the ocean to the Marine Life Institute. The fish tell Nemo's story in the fully updated 25-minute show, incorporating live performers and puppets, along with many of the beloved songs and production numbers from the original Finding Nemo the musical. In addition to a new script, the show will feature new scenic set pieces and a new LED video wall design to visually extend the world created by physical sets on stage. Set pieces include a 32-foot-long sunken submarine and a fish tank volcano standing nearly 15 feet tall. A new aesthetic for Finding Nemo, the Big Blue and Beyond will give the show a fresh and unique look while staying true to the designs in the original film. An official opening date for the show has not been announced as of yet, but make sure you subscribe and stay tuned, and I'll let you know when they do. Now open across from the Creation Shop at Epcot, guests can now eat at Connections Café and Eatery. Connections Café and Eatery is now officially open at Epcot, being the newest quick service restaurant inside the park and being the new location for Starbucks. Inside, it features nods to Walt Disney's original plans for Epcot, along with a mural on the entire wall called Global Gathering. This piece depicts the heart of the restaurant, people from around the world gathering around food. It's one of the largest murals Walt Disney Imagineering has ever created, and if you look closely, you'll notice the scenes blend seamlessly from sunrise to sunset. sunset. On the floor, you can find 3 original floor inlays inspired by Walt's 1966 Florida project site plans, where Epcot was to serve as the literal and conceptual center of Walt Disney World. Now in outside the parks news, in retaliation to Disney responding against Florida's Don't Say Gay bill, the Florida governor has signed a bill which would disassemble the Reedy Creek Improvement District. Last week, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis signed a bill to disassemble the Reedy Creek Improvement District, this coming in response following Disney speaking out against Florida's Don't Say Gay bill. Now what Reedy Creek Improvement District is Walt Disney World's own special taxing district so that landowners within the Bay Lake and Lake Buena Vista area are solely responsible for paying the cost of providing typical services, so residents of Orange and Osceola County would not. The district also has fire protection, emergency medical services, wastewater services, and gives Walt Disney World the ability to grant itself permission for projects without having to get local government approval. If it were to go through that, the Reedy Creek Improvement District would be disassembled starting June 1st, 2023. Sections of Walt Disney World would go to Orange and Osceola County as it reaches locations in both counties. Now there's potential that the bill could be reversed come January of 2023, but make sure you subscribe and stay tuned, and I'll keep you posted on any updates on the Reedy Creek Improvement District moving forward. Now into company news, coming to theaters this summer, Disney and Pixar have released a new trailer for their upcoming film Lightyear. The definitive origin story of Buzz Lightyear, the hero who inspired Toy Story, Lightyear follows the legendary space ranger after he's marooned on a hostile planet 4.2 million light years from Earth alongside his commander and their crew. As Buzz tries to find a way back home through space and time, he's joined by a group of ambitious recruits and his charming robot companion Socks. Complicating matters and threatening the mission is the arrival of Zurg, an imposing presence with an army of ruthless robots and mysterious agenda. For release, Lightyear will only be available in theaters when it opens on June 17th, and if you want to watch the new trailer, I will leave a link to that in the description down below. Alright everyone, well that's all you for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. That's all you for this week, and until next time, we'll see you on the DRU.